everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope everybody's having a great day. It's pretty sunny here in BC today, and I hope everybody's staying safe with the pandemic. So who knows when it's going to end. We're just being told in Canada that there's probably going to be some more things happening moving forward, so we'll see what happens. So it's ongoing. However, I do have a couple of unboxings from Pandora. They come in a box like that normally. Alright, these are my missing slider pieces. And if you're interested in buying a bracelet at Pandora, they're giving away a free charm. Now, I don't know if that's just in Canada or if that applies to the US, so make sure you check it out. And that's only in store, so I don't know. One time when I did the buy one get one free bracelet, they didn't have any more of the other items, so you may want to check that out first, because that's kind of disappointing when you go in and you think you're going to get something and they don't have it, or that store didn't get it, or, you know, who knows. Alright, so let's go ahead and get to the unboxing. If you're new to my channel, welcome in. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment is always appreciated. And if you're returning, thanks so much for your support. And make sure you hit the bell so you're notified every time I upload videos. And that's at least once a week. Most of the time it's 2 or 3. So make sure you do that. Okay, got my blade. And thanks for all the requests regarding my Pandora collection. I think I'm going to do it in stages. So I think I'm going to start with my Disney charms and then go from there. And I think I'm going to do it like per bracelet. It may be a lot easier that way, because they're hard to see. So, alright, so we're into the first one. Alright, here's the second box. And things are looking up. Ted got his funnel from China, and it took about 3 months. So if you're ordering anything from China, it's going to be at least 2 to 3 months. So don't get discouraged if you have ordered something, especially bags like from Japan. They're taking at least 2 months, probably more. So, all right.
Hello. Hello. Jesus.
All right.
How do we get these damn calls anyways? Can you speak Vietnamese?
Not today.
No, neither can I.
All right. Do you guys get those crank calls? Yeah, we get them all the time. There's so many scams going on. It's just unbelievable. You just hang up. That's all you do.
You're gonna break my blade.
Oh my gosh, gotta have. Hey, almost.
Got Gorilla Glue.
Alright, got in. Woo! Alright, so got my receipt. Alright, let's see what this one. This has a couple in here. Yeah, it's got the pink and the Pandora. Alright. Alright, let's see what this one has. Pink, Pandora, receipt, and a couple of my back orders. Okay, hopefully I'm pretty sure that's it. Hopefully. Alright. Okay, and it says Pandora there. And let's see what this one is. Okay, I think this is the Locket slider, so let me take a look here. And I'll put pictures on Instagram too, so follow me at susansrstyle. Yeah, this one's pretty cool. This one, you can put little things in it. And it slides on your bracelet. And this goes with the reflections bracelet. Okay. So I'll just keep that out so I can take a picture for Instagram so you guys can actually see what they look like, because it's kind of hard. Alright, and this is one of the little pieces that go in it. It's a little star with little Pave crystals. I don't know if it's going to focus or not. Let's see if I can take it out. Yeah, these are really small. Yeah, you kind of get the idea. Alright, and I'm wearing my rose gold one with the little end caps. With the little heart and the little couple heart clips and the peach blossoms. Alright, that's the second one. Okay, here's the third one here. This is C for my middle name. It's a slider. You guys can kind of see it a little bit. Okay, that's the C. Alright, last but not least, to complete my order. Alright, and this goes with the Locket slider. And these are magnetic and they just go in the slider somehow. Alright, this is purple for February. Kind of get an idea. Alright, so that's my 2 unboxings for today. Pandora. I'm also rocking my Laura tote from Coach. Metallic gold with the brown inside and the Samorga organizer in there. And that's a Samorga organizer that fits the Speedy 30. Will also fit most totes. So if you do have a Samorga organizer, they fit a lot of different bags other than Louis. Alright, so it's in pretty good condition. It's starting to peel a little bit, but that's pretty normal for Coach. And anything that's metallic, over time it will start peeling. So But this was only $47, so it's not so bad. All right. So if you guys have any other requests, let me know. But the next one will be my Pandora Disney collection. And I'll be getting that out probably this week. So look forward to that. And until next time, thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Style from a senior point of view. Have a great week, guys. Stay safe. Bye-bye now.